It's Florida. HVAC I've had off, so the drywall dust doesn't get in to the ductwork. Rightly so. Electrical panel is moved. Ductwork is ready to be cleaned out and turned back on. This is video number 2. Walkthrough of the new condo. We leveled this floor because this was a porch and it was lower. Mark, go back. It's gonna be great. So we put this beam in.
Right, so I have to be this far back in order to get the beam.
Oh, are you on 16?
Oh.
So this was a porch. So we completely leveled out this whole thing with concrete. But what we did first was put the beam in. Of course, got rid of these doors, which was epic. We cut a trench through this floor because the laundry room was in the kitchen. Is my head being cut off? And I was like, let's put it in this closet. So what we did was we cut a trench through this whole floor, brought all of our supply lines, 220 electrical lines, Studer vent so the plumbing can breathe and vent and drain properly. So we cord bored a hole through the exterior brick for the new dryer vent. At that time, had our plumbing inspection, all's good to go. Poured one solid pass of concrete to level out this whole floor. It's really exciting because it's perfectly level. It really felt like I capitalized on this view by just putting the beams in, putting the money, the framing, the things that needed to go in to this beam, and it really opened it up bigly. I decided to build this little wall out and make this into a little bit more room for the kitchen. So you can see I have my 3-gang switches here, got a 3-gang switch here, which is going to control the living room and of course the porch lights. This is my microwave outlet, and you can see we've taped these things up because the floors, not really taped, but we put them up there so the floors could go in because the floors just went in like 20 hours ago. So this is a line going to the outlets in the peninsula. And this is a wire for the dishwasher. And these are of course our outlets per code for the backsplash. And then I did something that I've never done before here. I added low voltage wires, which are switched on a Lutron Cassetta smart switch. So I can literally go, hey Google, turn my kitchen under cabinet lighting on. And this is gonna be open shelving, 1, 2, 3, that meet the upper cabinets and meet this window, probably about 1 inch reveal, that are gonna have under the shelf tape lighting that I can control by a remote and by my voice. So it's really exciting. So I had them put a piece of drywall on the bottom here, no drywall on the sides, because what I'm gonna do, because it's the same reveal here and here now, countertop on the walls. I'm 3/4 of the way done through this condo project. Super, 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 super exciting. And I really am stoked to see it come together like this next week. Painting, finish that. It's gonna be plumbing trim, it's gonna be electrical trim, it's gonna be the cabinet, kitchen install. Then I just have to pick the countertops, which I'm gonna be doing that on Tuesday. And I have a meeting at the countertop place. But I'm gonna wrap this all with countertop. 30-inch pantry cabinet, fridge, sink, dishwasher, range, microwave, peninsula. That's the kitchen layout. Let's check out the master bedroom. But first, can't forget the bubble wall. Outlet, smart switch, Google, turn on the bubble wall. Done. I decided to do pocket doors everywhere. So you remember there was this wall right here. This was the bedroom wall. So you'd walk into the master bedroom right here. There's this wall, bedroom wall. So I moved this over, made this a pocket door opening into this beautiful, very large and spacious closet. So it's really exciting. And my closet even has a window. This wall is really cool because you used to walk in to the closet, the most awkward, can we just talk about how awkward this was? You'd walk into a closet, through another doorway opening into tiny little bathroom with like a tub and a shower, and it was yellow and gross. Maybe it was green, don't remember, but it was bad. What I did, of course, pocket door, am I right? Pocket doors are great. Put the pocket door in, made this one big master bathroom. So here is the master shower coming together. That is actually white porcelain that looks like Carrara marble, but it's actually not. So it's super cheap. This is actually real marble on the slab. Then I did, and you guys see that? A 6-foot niche. Floating vanity is gonna go here, and this is an outlet for my mirror that's gonna light up. It's gonna control off of the switch. So the mirror actually lights up, kind of like my old house. You remember my personal house walkthrough? Had the same kind of mirror. Of course, the toilet location stayed the same. So in the master bathroom, I went with a floating vanity and faucets that change color as the temperature of the water changes. Blue is cold, green is lukewarm, red is hot. It's amazing. I think if you've noticed on the ceilings, there's no recessed can boxes because I'm doing, it's like the Julison. I tried a new brand this time. Pretty much something that you cut in afterwards. So you pre-wire all these loops in the ceiling joists. You cut your circle hole, circle bit after everything's painted. Hopefully you put it in the right spot so you don't have to patch drywall. Reach up there, you connect all the electrical to the box, and you just do a low voltage connection to the actual light, and then just, it's a little wafer thing, so just snap in there. Really cool. But that's for the rest of the house. But here, I'm actually gonna put hardwired boxes in, and I have these awesome lights that I found at nukelighting.com, I believe. They're gonna hang down and shine on the wall right above the side tables. Okay, this is my gym. That's the light. The gym is currently a catch-all. It's an extra bedroom. I call it my gym because we're gonna work out. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be big league. It's gonna be huge. I can see the river from here. This bathroom. What I did in this bathroom was I just refinished the tile whites, and I bought some beautiful champagne bronze shower trims, and the faucet's also gonna be champagne bronze. Brand new toilet. It's gonna be a great little hall bath. Lightsaber light. We can talk about lightsaber light. Yeah. What I did here was put this beam in. What this beam allows me to do, let me explain. Okay, I wanted to maintain the integrity of a bedroom because I already lost a bedroom. This was a 4-2, now it's a 3-2 with a large master bedroom. So what I did was, this is what it looked like before. So I wanted it to have a river view because that was not much of a river view. River view. I opened it up, put this beam in. You can see the beam stretches past this corner, so it's gonna be what's called a pocket door. It's gonna have two panels that collapse and slide into the wall. So I'm actually gonna grab a handle here, probably on the inside, and pull it into on the tracks and close it. I think it's a cool way of keeping things open so everyone can just kind of hang out. But if there's people over, I can have a private phone call, I can close the door, still have an office, and when I get an appraisal, it still counts as a third bedroom because there's a door. Laundry room, we already talked about it, right?
Talked about it.
TV wall. Stupid. Just get that out of there. Yeah. That's my TV wall. It's gonna be really great. I got my coaxial ran. I had Comcast come out, ran the coaxial, and I put two outlets down here to fit into this TV wall. Envision those bottom portions there, notching out the outlets, put them in there so you can still plug stuff in. Put my router modem right there. And it is really hot in here. Wow, I feel like I'm drenching sweat. Probably because I am. Thank you, Mark. I had to kind of lay out this spatial thing, right? So this is a 6-foot ceiling fan. And it's gonna be like this epic thing. This is about 6 feet. It's actually 6'1", because you're supposed to be the same. Your arm span, your wingspan. The couch is gonna wrap. There's a chase right here. There's a chase. Then you sit here, and then there's gonna be two chairs. And then, so everything's kind of set around this big old ceiling fan. A love sack. I spent like $1,400 on this king size Mac Daddy love sack, which I envision going right here. It's full of memory foam. It's gonna be a beautiful thing right by the river. I feel like we should outro this video. I love having a camera around. This is so great. I wish just all the time I had Mark with the camera. So thanks for watching. I encourage you to never turn off your AC. We should totally cut this whole clip. I'm still gonna leave it in because it's funny. I am very glad that you're here watching my video. If you're still here, you should subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.